Hello, my beautiful people. How na day? Yeah, we don't come again another day for inside our studio here to come tell una wetin dey happen for inside our country, Nigeria, and we'll put our head together, discuss the solution. So I still remain your friend, or your girl, your sister, your babe, Soke Ogbebo, and as usual, I dey here with my co-presenter.
Una well done, my people. Na me, Mary Deba.
All right. First of all, I appreciate all our followers for YouTube, Ibota TV follower. I appreciate una. Thank you to all of una. And for those of una where they watch us here on Facebook, we say thank you. For those of una where they share our video, and to all our brothers where they call us, we say thank you so much. We appreciate all of una. As all of us, they work, they do one or two to make our country a better place. I pray make our dream come true and make we achieve this vision we will get. So for our country, Obodo Naija, we pray may everything work out for our good by God's grace. So today, I don't still come again, make I tell you now the latest way they happen for inside our country, Nigeria, our Nigeria government. Some of them don't come out. The doctor say, he said Nigeria government has said that it was satisfied with the role the military and the police played during the EndSARS protest in the country. This one say our government, they don't talk, come and say that they're satisfied with the rule when our military force and police, when they play that protest. You know, say before they come and talk this one, you know, say the military army in charge, in come a few days ago, I talk for this show, in come and talk say in the verse, say the military not they happy because of why? Because this man, Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, denied, say he not send them. Go attack protesters. So the man don't come out because Babajide Sanwo-Olu deny him. So then don't come and say that Babajide Sanwo-Olu now send them. Say for them to deny them, say not being sent the verse. So now we see the way our leaders they manipulative. Now they don't come out now. Why can't they praise them? Say yes, they satisfied with the role where our military forces, soldiers, and the police play for during the EndSARS protest, because the police in Abuja, River, Oyo, and Ogun shot and killed peaceful protesters in October, while the Nigerian army shot and killed peaceful protesters at Lekki Toll Gate in Lagos on October 2020. Like 2010-2020. So how you see this one where they come and they say that they satisfied, meaning that they satisfied with the kill, where they kill our people what is that they satisfied? But
they no say we start. It just be like the way the man talk now. We start say they not praise the soldiers and the police. Many people no want even resume back to their work because most of them don't even retire. They don't even throw away their uniform. And apart from that, our government, why it be so not like to they manipulate people? Okay, soldiers they vex say Babajide Sanwo-Olu say he no send them. Meanwhile, now he send them. Okay, now this man don't they try to give them all, and they come out to encourage them now say not be waiting their think. Now waiting use that one mean. So not be waiting their think say the EndSARS protest where they do and the way they do their job, where they take the innocent, so they appreciate them. Now very good talk, now talking. They try to tell us now saying he appreciate them for the work. Government appreciate them, they appreciate them for what they do, the way they take innocent, so and everything. He good.
You know one thing, say during this EndSARS protest, even this Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu in come and say yes, we with some IG after their meeting. So the IG come and announce and say they will reward the police will die and the soldiers will die during this time. Yeah. Say they will make sure say their children go scholarship, and the ones who survive, maybe they get injury, they will make sure say they increase their rank.
Yeah.
So but still instead they deny. So like the fire from everywhere, the world are watching. The fire from everywhere they come up to the soldier. Yeah, the soldiers they're not satisfied because for that two things we offer, so not be all of the benefit.
No,
you understand? So the ones who die, their children will get free scholarship. The ones who injured, they will get promoted. So the ones who are not injured, they will go. They participate for the scene. They not get anything. So some of the come and say yes, they're not satisfied. They vest the military. They vest say this and that. Say now you send us now, you deny say no send us. Now in the come and now they say they satisfied but what did they do? So as they say they satisfied now for killing Nigerians, so they will not to come compensate. Now they try to tell them and say we are satisfied with your the way they take carry things.
You know, say the issue already get IB because now soldiers no want me they blame them, police no want me they blame them, Babajide Sanwo-Olu no want me they blame him.
Nigeria
Then who
they no one way they blame them.
Who
The
to blame?
question still remain, who ordered the shooting? And that one on 1 year. So my people, today we know we will touch am because na weekend thing. So this second one, they say listen to this. See, a lot of reason why we need to do it. We want to do and fast. Just listen to this one. They say investigation ongoing, how non-exist company was awarded multi-million naira railway contracts.
can imagine.
The company name na ESER, and that ESA Contracting and Industry Company Incorporated was unregistered but was awarded 19.2 billion railway rehabilitation contract in violation of public pronouncement regulation. This one is when I read to una. So the investigation now they go on. How our government say they use a company wey no dey exist, they will award them. They will come up on television tell us, oh Jesus, they will come up on television tell us this in 1 year. Okay, this company now they say now they in charge of a railway for Nigeria, and the company no dey exist. E no dey registered for Nigeria, but our leaders award 19.2 billion to this company.
So the spirit company.
You understand? They award them today. You see, say when some of our callers, where God will bless them anywhere on a day, when they give us proof yesterday, they show now, when they show us how they build estates now, they develop the northern side,
yes,
the boundary between all those and all those things. Yes. They bring some of the proof, and we show some videos. Now all these things, all this money where they award to spirit companies, so non-existing companies, yes, so now they do all those things. Still they go they borrow money, so all they go they award contracts to company wey no exist, wey no dey. What did they take us for?
You see, now that one be the problem.
What did they take us for?
If we fit come together to destroy this plan where they get for hand. You see, spirit company, this kind of company na spirit company, e no dey exist, but they collect money, they award money, they come out for television, they tell us, and so they award money for so. We be say this, oh my God. See, me everybody just sit down. More fit say everything dey okay.
E no dey okay.
Nothing dey okay, oh.
Nothing
Because
dey
this
okay.
Nigeria what they fit say go better, e no go better.
E go better, my dear.
See, you know why I say no go better? Because if everybody sit down, the way everybody just sit down, so una think say e go better like that. Without say we not come together to fight the fight wey we need to fight. See, yes, some of our callers, if they talk, it makes sense. That is why if we una need to share with other people, make they hear wetin dey happen. Because this kind of spirit company now, when nobody know where they build and put, nobody know where they even put the this thing. We staff they work there. This kind of thing they go they pay salary to staff.
Yes, they go
staff
award
nobody
money.
know.
They go they award money.
Nobody know them.
Say make they do rape. Nothing where they do work on. Nothing anybody they award money. So this one, let me say maybe in my place or say Italian say maybe to talk they hungry me or they hungry us. No, we want to tell on this so that more the ginger una this thing so that everybody start to wake up, know put head together, know what to do next, how to get this country back. Then go for the separation, because now me with all those things we don't hear since yesterday, I'm so into let's share the country. Let's divide the country. By the time all those countries where they loot money from, they borrow money from, they give them. Then the people, if they're not going to see Nigeria again, country called Nigeria, because everybody don't go on their way.
Don't go their own way.
They're not going to see country called Nigeria again. So then go. They find person when they brought the group of leaders, politicians wey come sign paper collect money, borrow money. They offend, they go their northern side, go collect their money back, because this thing wey they do so e dey obvious. So but what we need to come together do now to first save them, save our country, save ourselves, save our future, so that they not continue to use us, they borrow money. May they share the country now, more no wait to 2023. If they want to share it, let's share it now. Whatever it is they want to do now. Because if we wait to 2023, they will not achieve all their evil aims.
Everything.
So that one on one side, we'll talk about that one later, because I get a question when I need to ask us, we need to talk, so that we'll emphasize on the question. Second one, one I get yesterday, I tell them, I say yes, say police see they arrest people for Calabar because of palliative rights. Yes, they see they arrest people for that side though. I don't know what they worry our police, but as far as it's when their former IG come out come talk say 50% of Nigerian police dey work for our leaders. Our leaders dey collect instruction from, no be their own, no be to serve the country. They dey there for the sake of our leader. So for him to say 50%, so me myself I can calculate, I can check, I can balance, I can losing 95% of Nigerians police, Nigerian soldiers. Now our leader they work for. Now the 5% will remain. Now I see good when we say they work for the country.
Exactly.
So we will just make that one. They very clear. So they say the Federal Minister of Information and Agriculture has budget 200. Hey, Jason.
Again.
All these people, and the way they call the money, somebody figure out blood pressure. They say the Federal Minister of Information and Agriculture has budget 250 million for engagement with foreign medias, influential bloggers, local media practice. All this one, they don't 2021 budget. They don't put 250 million aside for 2021 budget where they want to block all the bloggers, the foreign medias, the influencer, the bloggers, local medias, practitioner, and public relations in 2021. Those people now they set. Imagine that they set money to shut down the bright people.
They won't shut their mouth up. They don't want to make that they bring out any news again.
And the worst part say this money now will let them take off from one state for inside the country. Everybody for that state go balance.
I don't want something like that.
Everywhere for that state go balance. 250 million naira. It go take care of some companies, some roads, some lights, everything for one state. The state go make sense. It go balance.
Wetin make they keep,
they prefer to use this money for bribing.
And wetin make they keep this kind of money to take bribe? Now because of say they don't want make Buhari. As far as say everybody don't know say Buhari don't die, but they don't want make it be say Buhari comot for the seat till that 2023.
Because they don't want wetin happen for during that good luck time.
Yes.
When Yaradua die, good luck take over. Then after good luck take over, the next election they come vote, good luck come win. Abi good luck he rule for 4 years na bi.
And 4 years, no say the man die. He go enter. He no need to just. You go need to enter just like that.
So during election, they come before it time. I mean, they can't go from that Boko Haram. Call it they fire the man. They keep people. They do all those things.
All these things.
They put here the mark more for the seats.
All these things so that they do so. Not only Nigeria, we no one understand what they happen for the country. Now go say it no concern am. It concern everybody because this money where they say they wanted to bribe medias, foreign medias, even the local medias, everybody they know say it don't get anything to get to do with media. They want to begin bribe everybody. My dear, if they don't they bribe everybody now, Buhari go dey dirty 2023 till they go fit meet up with their plan. See, if all this northerners they want make Nigeria share 2023 really reach, as one of our caller talk yesterday, everybody go their own way. At the end of the day, this problem wey we dey talk so e go still dey there. They go dey enjoy. Northerners go dey this every other part. The northerners, if they enjoy, na the eastern na go dey suffer.
The south.
The southerners na go dey suffer. So things dey wey we need to think about quick. No be say we just sit down. Sometimes people dey feel say we just come here come dey talk. If e set, if na so na say they put one plane that they say everybody go back to your country. Imagine the country where you wan go. People dey they no fit even afford to go to Nigeria. People dey wey wan really die for this abroad. They want make they bury them here.
Maybe if they reincarnate, they come life again or pass.
They don't want me to bury them for Nigeria. They don't even want me to go there for Nigeria. We get people where we said they don't dey 70 years. They sit there abroad. They say where they dey Nigeria.
But that one I suffer. That one.
So just imagine now the way we
for another person. What's it?
Another country. So imagine now the way our people say they do their thing now. We be say that they want to bribe media so that things where they have for the country, you know, people know if they know what they happen. I beg.
The one they bribe media now. I would tell na yesterday say this our platform. Any platform where they not feel bribe now, they'll try to fight against that because yes. People like say they never feel bribe CNN. So now make the fight against CNN now. Tell her now. But all of us know say DJ Swish will be exposed for what she did, fraud and fraud. Like Mohammed, you don't come and say DJ Swish. Now so you were exposed and then so make a quick show now. The reason why he come at the back like dog wey be because this like Mohammed, Buhari go work for the country before he die. Buhari no go work. The south the northern people go even get compassion for our country Nigeria. They no go get compassion. Now this like Mohammed, this man,
I don't know where the man
this
from
man,
come out.
he be the genesis
of
to the revolution of the problem of Nigeria, not when it comes to northern and that side. Now in the plot everything.
No time where you talk till they go away.
For those of us who never watch the interview where DJ Switch do with CNN, make a quick flash and for Namona watch and before I continue telling them the reason why I showed on the video. Take a look.
Experience in my life. The Nigerian army that is supposed to protect us came with no warning, none, nobody, no representative to come speak to us first. At least they just came in guns blazing. We heard gunshots from behind the toll gate, because we were on one side of the toll gate, and we heard gunshots from behind and people running. So what we did was just to go down and sit down and just stay still, wave our flags. So because we believe that if we waved our flags, they would.
So my people understand, because the girl they bold. I can say when somebody asks Nigeria, we they afraid. We know they're afraid. We know they're afraid. The girl they bold. She come out CNN interview her because she flew for Nigeria, and some of us say that they find her, but they don't to kill her with blazing because now our leaders they be murderer to kill her. So they find her. CNN don't interview her. She don't see talk her own part of the story of what happened. Then she not fear. She bold talk wetin really happen. So because of this one, like Mohammed don't come. I don't they back. Like dog, they say, Nemesis, we cut up with DJ Switch. Now lie, she's a fraud, she's this, she's that. Name. In don't come at the back.
What do you not understand? This Lai Mohammed, this man, you no get children. You no get children. What it be? I not where this man. I don't know where they for bring this man come out to, because sometimes these are our leaders. They just feel say that seat where they dey. Now their generation seats now they dey. See am. What did DJ Switch go do? May God bless anywhere where she did. That girl, God go bless you. If now you come out, because it to say they this Nigeria now that this to say this Nigeria, that interview and that CDs where she bring come out, then if you're not gonna let her bring her come out, and she just go that side, go bring out everything, then shock. Shebi Babajide she will lose say nobody die. Shebi say nothing like that. See, sometimes una go just sit down begin manipulate issues, but this time no go work for now. This Lai Mohammed, I just dey pray your answer na God get only your answer.
Upon all this is where they happen now. They see say the way the whole thing don't take tied, the whole saga don't use and tie themselves. Only they deny say shooting not take place, and when they agree say shooting take place, they say nobody die. When they say nobody die, later they see the video of how they take shoot, how they take kill people, how people take die. They say no dead body. So even all those things we see they happen now. This Plateau State governor, in don't come out because now Namala, in don't come out. They talk say they still need SARS for inside Nigeria upon all everything we don't happen. So this idiot, this man, see the Simon Laglong, they are Laglong they call him. He see they insist say they need SARS for that side. Now say make they carry the SARS go their state.
Nigeria
that side.
Big.
Make they go there that side.
If he go stay that side, make they carry all the SARS wey dey for Nigeria, make they carry and go the Plateau State for them, because since they need am, make they go that side, make they go stay for that side. Na very simple issue. Make they go stay that side. Shebi you need the SARS, but not before all. No, only he know if they decide for all Nigerians. So make they carry and go where in dey. Make they go dey work for am for the Plateau where in dey stay for that side. Very easy talk.
So Lai Mohammed today he don't come and talk two things, because when God there is God. When our former president's wife, Goodluck Jonathan, First Lady, Patient Jonathan, when he talk say there is God, all of us we do come as joke, we use and do comedy, but that thing, see the way God now they cause confusion among our leaders, because God knows say they are evil. Somebody call me, he say if now those days where we say God they by himself, they destroy city, they kill people, anybody we commit sin or we talk plan evil, God will your kill them instantly. He said no, because Jesus don't come die for our sin. So all the sins where everybody they commit now, God they count them on Jesus, the sacrifice what Jesus make for us on the cross of Calvary. If not, people like Lai Mohammed, so as he just they talk and turn down your strike, you go your kill and die. Or as some of the take the meeting there, they talk, they plan evil, turn that will just strike from above, you go kill all of them. This man, this Lai Mohammed, so when they use and they sing since then say they must close social media. Now you carry on for head though. Tell them before all of the model all of the they talk the reason why they need to close social media. Shut down social media be and all those things. He don't come out now. Everyone is not asleep. He don't come out now. They talk say yes. He don't say made according to a word, say Minister of Information and Agriculture Lai Mohammed has said social media in Nigeria would be regulated and not shut down as speculated. That is, as people they spread them, say they want shut them down. Say no, they say make they shut them down. He say make they regulate them.
Yeah, maybe you get what
They are confused.
Maybe
That's
they are.
why. Now our prayer, man, the more they add and join our prayer, say our enemy anywhere they gather.
You
Confusion
know,
will be their portion.
Exactly.
They will confuse, begin they fight themselves. All this not time. They go better say they use going to kill themselves. For the plan where they plan
exactly.
for the Southerners.
Southerners.
They go they use their head. They cannot they go they gather. They did that meeting.
And
Disagreement go be their portion.
Exactly,
Begin
because
kill
they deserve
themselves,
am.
hunt themselves, hunt their family to death. More they add and join our prayer point, and so shall it be in Jesus' name.
Amen. You see, as in talk say they go regulate the social media. You know, say na there they practice Sharia law. So the fisty, they know they use phone. So
Can
then
they
know
Nigeria now?
Make
Maybe
them
not and another use
social media. The social media. Hey,
Yes.
I don't want to talk. So make them know they use the social media. More job no say as they don't ban alcohol, they don't ban phone. Many things wey they don't ban. So make
they
them
on their own.
Make they just
go
do
on your own. Go and be the Nigeria. There's so much want Nigeria.
So
one
more na go
Nigeria.
carry
Okay,
am.
Fulani and Hausa. Abi Muslim. More na be one Nigeria.
One Nigeria.
Leave
Make una
us
dey
the
go.
Satan alone. We don't want to be a Nigeria again. We don't want to be Nigeria again. More na leave
So,
us no with on our
very
own.
easy.
More na go do na one Nigeria for that side.
Exactly.
You understand? Then more na they use on our head, on our family, on our future for our children, generation. They borrow money.
They want regulate social media. Not be the way that not be we think and wetin they talk. Now wetin they talk. Now
Yeah.
he give Desmond Elliot mind wey take come and come dey talk say
No, na
social media.
Tinubu send that one.
All,
I'm not saying with Tinubu we don't do meeting.
no.
So no.
All these things they start from
Tinubu
somewhere.
with, yes, let me tell you now. Tinubu with those governors, those like Muhammad, they don't do meeting.
And some of them don't
because
begin-
when Tinubu and the like Muhammad they do meeting, Desmond not fit dey there.
I know.
He no fit dey there.
As in don be the genesis of everything, they begin talk say social media na problem to them.
Yeah, because Tinubu, no say in with Lagos State government, na Tinubu boy.
Exactly.
So Tinubu consent and I say you go and because say na youth. Make he come and go tell youth this word. Then make he come and
Na
come
normal-
for rubbish.
na
No, you all
normal
leave that
thing.
because we too call in a place say we dey blunt. So we don't want
Who
blunt
dey
for
blow
this
who?
program.
Blow wetin? All the film wey you do, how many times you use am blow?
We don't commissioner of toilet and we won't leave that one. We don't just get it. So this
So
same
like
Lai
that.
Mohammed today, industry come and say for what's it called this CNN for CNN to carry to show this evidence whether they show so when they obvious to the world says this is what they did on 2010-2020, a day when Nigeria no go ever forget. We go ever dey history for our country where our military wey suppose protect us carry gun dey shoot at innocent Nigeria wey come out for protest dey wave flag dey sing national anthem. They say this same Lai Mohammed though, he say because say CNN carry am, he say na first hey all those people even though wa mi yan wa do wọn di mi owó orí edo still dey deny am with all this evidence instead of to just come out now begin apologize to Nigeria begin think of way forward. They still dey deny say CNN say na false news, say CNN this video everything say na lie, say CNN say they want sanction CNN, they want sue them, they want sanction them, be they want sue their sanction soon.
No, you know why he talk like that. He made mistake. This Lai Mohammed made mistake. He say na that Tinubu this thing. How do they call am? Where that people for the work? It is na TVC now they talk to. No be TVC oh. This one no be TVC, no be ITV, no be NTA wey Nigeria get oh. This one na CNN. Now he say they won't sue. Sue wetin?
Talking about this NTA, now someone if you go down the comments of this TV, the way he talk, one of our Nigerians, he said this idiot they confuse CNN to NTA. Just that NTA na be our for Nigeria, so he no know the difference between
CNN and NTA.
I go come and say one soon CNN.
Sue wetin? Wetin you want sue?
My dear, the reply sweet me when CNN come out.
Ah wow.
Spoke me when he come out, the reply they very interesting. He said reacting to the threat, CNN has released a statement stating that it stands by its investigation. He said what CNN don't come out, they don't reply am. This is our NTA wey they shut up. CNN don't come out, they tell am say Lai Mohammed, we stand by our investigation. Our investigation, what news we carry, this is their platform. They're not using them for fake news.
Exactly.
He said the news wey they carry now the real news wey really happen, and they stand by it. So if you want hit your head for work, come out and hit your head for work. Lai Mohammed, I bet do us a favor. You see that Agbegi train when I do for down Kano. since you no green now say the CNN news wey dey carry say na correct news, just do us a favour, as those train wey dey come, just enter inside, kill yourself and die, make everybody rest. Because how you come and say big, because they don't collect money for their hand, now they not take like all those other, other stations where they don't shut down.
Now wetin surprise me na be that you know say they always they do film, all these people, when problem dey, people they do protest. Tinubu wey get TVC, they still go dey put fire for TVC, their plan work. Okay, imagine now see one problem, you dey want dey sanction CNN based on wetin you think say na Nigeria channel, no be Nigeria channel, you don see black man for there dey work. The same person wey interview Babajide Sowore, that Becky, that white lady, her name is Becky, I can remember, na he still interview DJ Swish. Okay, does it mean say wetin that woman dey talk now, she no know wetin she dey talk? Even when that woman dey ask DJ Swish question,
na photoshotting,
yeah,
because no say they photoshot their own, so that is na photoshoting.
One minute, when he dey ask DJ Swish, he say he put Babajide, all the question wey Babajide Sowore, he say listen to the Lagos State Governor, what he said. When you don lis ten finish, know wetin I really enjoy for all this stuff, the way DJ Swish say answer that woman, say without no due respect, Babajide
he said with no due respect, hey, I give again.
No,
God
see
you are protected, nothing go do you.
God go bless you. When people deserve respect, they deserve.
Those wey plan your death, wey they want you to kill you, na they'll die
before you go come back to Nigeria. They don't die. Don't just bother yourself to dey worry about them.
My dear, let me tell you,
all those
people they plan to your death, plan your death for DJ Swish. Now then go sleep, they not go wake up.
We don't already know all those people wey senior Nigeria, where all those ancestors wey dey there. Now human other people kidney, now they take they survive. They all kill human being.
Because this girl an example to all of us of that country.
Yes, so
stand by the truth.
And
no matter how much they give you, stand by the truth. Upon us say that they hunt her, they come out say they never get her time. They want the day after bigger fish. Say she na crayfish. She's not still fear. But she flew come from Nigeria, but she stand anywhere she did. She see they respond. The only thing Nigeria say he never finished.
The only
we call the shot. This time around now we youth Nigeria youth now we will call the shot.
We dey come for them. You see that Lai Mohammed, all those one wanna be saying now they do meeting every night, they do meeting every time. As DJ Swish come out, we be say they fair release the video. You know what they fair take it? They fair release the video without DJ Swish. They never interview her. By the time they come to interview her, their head come begin to think, say wetin happen. My dear, I no fit do anything.
No, now when she just go online and on IG after the shooting, killing, everything take place. After a few days later, she said sustained injury.
Yeah.
So she not quick come out. Some people call they say wetin happen, what she did. People was anxious to know about her. So when she come out, can't do video, can't re-talk, narrate the whole story, how it happen, the proof, the bullets, everything where she pick for grant, everything they she talk. Now after that, they contact, they find her. You don't people wey still know her say maybe now they will use private jet to move her more for Nigeria. They try for her and God bless them.
And another thing, you see this Babajide Sowore, I just pity for you as a governor of a state, because imagine your generation, if they remember that your name, your son name and everything, nothing like politics for that generation again.
I beg you.
And secondly, we know say you be psychiatric patient because you don't do no be we talk am, you don't already there everywhere. Say you don't feel they take treatment. You understand? So we know say now your BP don't.
See, me self I in a way I feel for them because it's being used by the
if he being used, you know go resign. Jagaban. You know go resign. Is he a force to sit there? Is that a generation seat to be a governor? Is he a generation seat? You know go resign to protect your people. You know go resign now force to sit down to be a governor.
Because any of the way sit down for them, they don't feel protect their people.
Is he a force?
Their disappointment, not to Nigerians alone, to them themselves and their generation. So, Lai Mohammed and Lagos State Governor and all the governor and the president of Nigeria, all the leaders, excuse me, things like this they go on. Let me show you people video of what happened. The way personal security attached to a big man allegedly shot a newspaper vendor in Abuja. Today in Abuja, you see man where they sell newspaper. Personal security, ordinary security, where they protect big man. Maybe some conflicts happen now between them. He shoots the poor man where they sell newspaper because a big man when they guide, maybe they pay and they receive salary. You see why we Nigerians, we don't in one way or the other, we don't contribute to our society. We make the society can't be the way that it be. So just in Benin, I think last year or so, man when they guide one Chinese they be ma be ho have Chinese chonti. The day when me jam one for Nigeria, the day when I jam one for Nigeria for Port Road, because I know say they get they get hospital for one side for our area there, for New Benin side there, New Lagos Road side. When I jam one for Airport Road for one place like that, wetin I ask and say, what are you doing here? And wetin I ask am, because
you stay for all these people.
It was shocked, like I live here, I work here, and I say, you leave your country to come to Africa. I say, you people don't like black. What are you doing here? You shouldn't be here investing. Go to your country. You don't like black. We know. It's not how they look me. It's just they look me. Say, how me tell no. Now say, see, at the travel, at the know, at the meet to now.
And things they when Nigeria don't know about all these people.
So all because they don't know because
most
of them
travel.
So because of that Chinese Chin-Chong man, this man, most of them know the story when they talk about, so shoots another black man. Say because that Chinese man and your guy in the guide them. So I not waiting happen, something happen, and in carry gun shoot the other fellow black. Say because he talked to the man anyhow. Now he do that thing, killing your brother for that Chinese man, just to prove saying they loyal to the Chinese man. Now foolishness. Then we want made the Chinese man say in a very loyal person.
Yeah.
You understand? I know some now they ask to call me. Mona wait, I will soon bring my line. Like I want to this because of this video, or may I open the line? Mona call, Mona call in as usual. So shit like this they happen because of a big man. Now you shoot your own fellow Nigeria.
I imagine
because if you say your level don't pass you dey in position to the guide big man. He dey in position to the send newspaper for go slow abi all those things. You shot am. Una see now, watch the video yesterday, my people. Una see the way the man dey ground. Now another person entirely wey dey waka na he come hold the man. This one are things one are supposed to dey look into if una get the betterment of the country at heart, like Mohammed and his cohorts. This one are, now if Lagos State government Abuja na say una want make peace dey Nigeria. Now things like this na suppose they work on. Una dey energize those people, make they kill our people, so that if it reach time when our people tell wake up say make they fight una, there no will be a lot of we not get a lot of youth again to fight una. This na the reason why they do all those things. And another one to my own people for Benin people. This video, I want just to play this short video before I start to pick any other call today. This video of when this man, the way this boy, the reason why I play this, I want to play this video, the way the boy they confess this thing, it shocked me because since when they watched a video where thief people they confess, this one different. May I just give una 1 minute more and watch this video. I want to listen to what the boy they talk. As now they watch the video, the way the boy they admit say in a thief. Yes, I be thief. Yes, I the thief for this. So this one can't make me they wonder. Be this one they pay and make can't confess, or na political criminal when they some people they not pay them say go and say you are a criminal and you
even
are this
thief.
Nobody
will get mad to tell us say na thief say because the way the guy say they agree. Or whether the guy he brain don't get as he be, whether he get to inject the guy, I don't really know. I know say they not talk the police where they whether not lie they lie. Nobody. The way the guy take they accept saying na thief. And so they sometimes if they made mistake they talk another thing. They
ask and say, what you the thief? In the thief money, in the thief for now, in the thief for money. So the way the guy they confess the thing, if they surprise to me, now say make I say caution when I'm gonna see look whether something is fishing or something is going on.
Sense.
Yeah, because none of the things make sense.
It don't make sense.
None of the things make sense. So another one, so my line they open now, my people. You are free to call, but my quit on and say, yeah, brother, I know brother Emma, you don't try the call meeting, so you are free to call now. Please call back. I know so I don't miss your call before I on the line. I see your missed call, so you are free to come back. Call back. So he said. This woman, I think Lorenta Onoche, he said, I'm not upset that CNN lied to the world about the nation, about my nation, Nigeria. Hey,
that woman,
go fire this woman.
Like that woman,
you don't get direction.
That woman, be like say you don't even get people.
You don't get direction. Now the pit of her, the thunder of come. He said, I am upset that they think we are so stupid that we allow their lie. we won't be built into believing a lie. As we are Nigeria, as we are proud Nigeria, may God punish you this evening. Never both we allow it.
Who be this
If you
woman
get
sef?
pikin, may your children die for your eye. You understand? Because now people get children wanna kill for Lekki Toge. Come out, they tell us
Because
say,
of politics.
we are proud of Nigeria. Proud of which Nigeria? Never bola we
Hello.
Hello, my people. Good evening.
Good evening, my brother. Thanks for calling, brother Emmanuel.
I greet my two beautiful sisters. I greet the whole of Nigeria youth.
Thank you, thank you. Hello.
Hello?
My people,
Yeah.
I did on you people. My people, if
Go
I
ahead.
tell and say this very issue about all this crisis going on in Nigeria, they sweet me or it take 70% of my time and my joy out of me. Now no say I dey lie. All through today I have been sitting on my computer doing some other jobs and getting information online. I heard what everything DJ Sweet said. I heard the interview they give to her. Even the woman, that woman called Becky. I've already said that these people are lying, that our leaders, they are lying. What they are saying is very confused. They are not straightforward. Nigerian youth, when they watch this very video, please share. Why we go let all these old men, my sister showed their picture, why we go let all these old men turn Nigeria to family business?
Okay.
Family
Why we
business
go
is
let
good. They
these
take as their
old
inheritance.
men turn
Na their
Nigeria,
inheritance.
a great country, the giant of Africa, the whole of Africa, turn this our country into a family business. Hausa to Fulani, Hausa to Fulani, Hausa to Fulani. What is the problem of all these people? My fellow youth, the kind of life you dey live today, are you happy about it? Are you sitting back there for your unborn children to live this kind of wayward life? Are you happy at the age of 15 years you have started messing yourself up? Are you happy at the age of almost how many years as a boy you don't dey hawk pure water, they stay for sun, they do all such kind of evil things just to make money? Are you happy that majority of our youth, they use our mothers say they do ritual? My people, my brothers, my sister, who could cry hard to God and come together. That man alone, he don't do it for many people. God don't fight battle where he win. Nigeria own na gari for him. But who is going to cry? Who is going to volunteer himself? Who is going to sacrifice himself? Before God make this life to be a sweet life for us, in Son Jesus Christ come and sacrifice for us. It is for Bible. If you want to please the heart of God, it's your sacrifice. Who is those people that is going to stand by my side? Who is those people that is going to come out anytime from now? Let's go. If they are going to kill us, let them kill us all.
At least we'll
My
still kill them
brothers,
before
why
they kill
are
us.
we happy because of the filthy money we are getting now? And forget about that. We are selling our birthright and our honor, our respect, our what belongs to us to this north now. This Taliban of this bunch of illiterate people. This bunch of illiterate people, why have we decided to give them that opportunity to take over us, to ride on us, to use us to use us anyhow? As I talk to you people right now, my heart is full of tears and pain.
Every day.
How long are we going to live in this bondage?
Just
How
how
long are
long,
we going to live in this bondage? These people, they attack us. DJ Sweet, say, make I give you the good news about that DJ. The DJ says she left Nigeria. If you watch that very video well, she's a girl, youth, men, why not come let our maidens come be like saying and then they talk for us. Out of all these crises where they happen, not only DJ Sweet will be young girl with this our sisters, they now don't say they back on with Aisha na still girl. DJ Sweet na still girl. Our father's land, women are about to fight for us and make it a mother's land. That is what I'm seeing, the future of Nigeria right now. How long are these great men of Edo State, these great men of all the old South and East, where is those people? Where is this our healthy and our strong men? You people should wake up. We are sleeping on top of fire, thinking that this is the best life for us. It is not the best life for us, but these people are bundle and channel our glory to one side, and we think that God have not blessed us. You are working as a young man of 45, you are not yet married. You think it's the wish of God in your life. It's not the wish of God in your life. The witches and wizards of all these politicians, where they soak the demonic, they take over antichrist, and everything is coming up. Why are we going to fold our hands for these people to write us and take over the glorious name we have? Nigeria youth. I believe when thousands of people, hundreds of people will wake up and cry, and the voice of other people will hear us. CNN is our side. Our sister say she just left Nigeria so that she go fit broadcast all these people very well. After she do and finish, she go come back to his country. If they want come for him, may they come for him. Now again, I can't get mind. We are these Edo people. Edo we on a day. Igbo people we on a day. These are our strong men. We are on a day. All these police people, if they get sense, we are fighting for them. Because thousands of millions of policemen, they also have a children. That kind of life where their children they live, is it the best life? That kind of roof where their children they stay under, is it the best life? Go to various barracks in Edo State. You will see a police house there. My fowl, my dog cannot sleep in those houses. Those police, even their kitchen, their toilet fire past the police barrack, the army barrack. Police people una get sense, una they eat through una nose. Why una no go stand up and get wise? The so-called military people, when they talk, say they do this and they don't do this and they don't compensate these people, they compensate these people. These military people, how long these people will remain in their bondage? As a military of a Federal Republic of Nigeria, the giant of Africa, you are supposed to be honored. White world, because they talk about Africa, say any war, any peacekeeping with Africa, they need African people to come support. If Nigeria army no dey there, other country no they go. They wanna come let how many few of all these minutes, all these leaders, wanna go bomb them, wanna go dey free and free others, wanna let all these people they condemn, use una, they don't bewitch una. I pray Almighty God will hear our cry. Amen. I'm not here to talk about the things of these people are doing. I'm here to beg our youth. Let's add more effort. Come together. Drop your number. I am going to take my time to interview you. I will bring you close to myself. I will make you my brother. I will make you my sister. I will make you my wife. I will make you every member of my life. Let's come together. Soon or later, we are going to Nigeria. We are going to fight this battle. Without you by my side, how are we going to do it? Aisha is there. Fela Kuti's son is there. People are there. They are looking for more voice to push out their voice.
Yeah, reach out to those people.
Nigeria youth.
Let's reach out.
Ibota TV youth. I beg you. I'm going to end this call now. Make other people call. My youth, I beg you now. Please and please.
Thank you,
my sister.
Thank you for the thing what you do. God bless you.
My Nigerian youth.
The good Lord is your strength.
You know, see that they recruit all the Boko Haram, they come street, they give them soldier uniform. Now our boys they fight. We need to recruit the enter streets too.
All right. Hello. Fine. Thanks for calling. I beg, tell us your name and where you they call us from.
Yeah, my name is Ifani. I'm calling from South Africa.
Oh, thank you, brother. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm so glad to. It's my first time anyway to come to this program. I just saw it online now, and I like what you guys are doing.
Thank
and
you.
I said that I must contribute my own.
Yeah, Nigerians are listening. Thank you, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah, please. My contribution is this. You know, in that Nigeria, that Nigeria we call it, because I'm calling it that Nigeria, because they have given us a name in all over the world.
Exactly.
People don't value Nigerian passport. People don't value us. because of what our governments are doing to us. Now they look for what governments are doing, our governments are doing. So that's why you see all over the place, like in South Africa, police are killing a fellow Nigerian. You see a policeman just kill you for nothing because you know that your government is killing you as well.
Exactly.
So my contribution in this is this. We know the truth and we stand for the truth. Check out most of the country that now things are going well. Look at Ghana, they have 24 hours light. Nigeria, we don't have it. We need to fight our position this time. We need to fight anything from House of Leb, Senate, going down to governor. These people, they can never give up if we did not start killing them. Before Nigeria will be okay, we have to finish all of them, finish them one by one, start killing them. Because look at common truth. Look at what is them, Lagos State governor. First of all, you come out in the morning. It wasn't him that sent the military. He come out again. The military come on their own. You come out again. Nobody died. You come out again. One person died. You go to the hospital. They are injured. Only one person was given many lives. The whole government.
No, I don't disgrace the generation.
We have to face the fact. We need to start killing those politicians before they will know. Because everything, it's not people's children that die. It's not people's children. The next thing they do, they start fishing out people who participate in that protest. Freezing their account. If you just reach now in Nigeria, by now, who knows what's going to happen?
Protesters bail 1 million. I talked yesterday.
It's time we the youth, we just leave those police we are killing because without those governments order them, they will not come and kill us. Let's leave now the police and the army. Let's go to the top officials.
Not be the police and army go everywhere reach the top official, not them.
I'm always telling people like that. Let's go. That if you will start killing the governors, I think by now, they should have listened to us. But we leave the governors, we are killing the police. Now they have to send military after us. But when we kill governors, who will give the military order to come and shoot us? No one. We have to kill them before Nigeria will be okay. Except that Nigeria will never be okay. We need to kill those governors. The president, we know that one is far, but the one that is next to us, let's teach them a lesson that the other person that is going to go inside that office will learn. That is my contribution.
Thank you so much.
All our government, we need to teach them lesson. Let's leave the police.
So let's start working now. Let's swing it to action. There is a movement going on.
There's more idiot. Come out yesterday to talk about the social media. Who made him what he is today? It's not social media.
Okay.
He just came out yesterday, start talking about children. Who is children? He just come out. If you join them, you start thinking like them. If you join them, eating with them.
Exactly.
If you are eating with devil, you must look like devil. If you like, bring a level father, look at Father Mbaka. He joined them, start eating with them. He started doing like them.
Exactly.
So if you leave people, they start joining these people. We cannot achieve what we want. Those people that the main problem we have there is our governors and the senators. When we kill them, we get what we want. And that's what I stand on it. We need to teach out. Every country do it. America do it.
Exactly.
London do it. All these saboteurs, they kill them to achieve what.
Of course, they jam. Thank you so much. We know to our last caller, what you yours contribute, so they're very good. But there's a movement going on. Let everybody be part of it.
Hello.
No, we want to call you, just tell us, say this is what to do. Let everybody participate.
Thanks for calling. Please tell us your name and where you are calling from.
Yeah, my name is Chid. I'm calling from Spain.
Thanks for calling. Please go ahead with your opinion.
Yeah, please, my own contributions goes like this. You see what is happening to the Nigerian politicians.
Yeah.
All these our politicians have sold their soul to devil.
We know those.
There is no human sympathy in them. You see how they shoot people, Lekki Toll Gate, as if it was a cutting grass, an animal. And the governor of Lagos denied. All the military men denied. We have not knowing that DJ Switch recorded everything along the line. It was live in Instagram.
Yeah, she was live.
So they call it a Photoshop. How can somebody do a Photoshop when something was going on live? What Nigerian citizens are supposed to do, we
Why
need
we
to wake
come
up.
and talk now Photoshop?
Because these people, they are like cancer. If we don't kill them, they're going to kill all of us.
The old brain, coconut brain, and they get. Yeah.
We supposed to wage war against them because of their means. They have crushed people in target, and they don't want people to come and protest because they believe, or they believe, they know what's going to happen in future, that these guys will come all after them. And are afraid. All of them are cowards. We need to move on the street. We know everywhere they live and their family. When we move, both senator, both the governor kill all of them. We wipe them out and have a new political system in Nigeria that will work.
Good idea.
If not that, my sister, believe me, all of us, we are gone. Because they want to catch every season of Nigeria. When they put this their deal in the media, we are finished. Do you know that they have caged media in Nigeria?
Yeah.
The Nigerian media can never tell you the truth.
At all.
The NTA can never flash what is happening in Nigeria. The journalists, all of them can never tell you the truth because they have caged them.
They are
If
afraid.
you say something, they will
I
arrest
just
you
read
and
that
put the
next
media
year
out.
budget 250 million to bribe all the media. They talking for their, they talking by themselves, not be me talking. So
Yes.
we know.
Then, if we share it, the ratio of Nigerian population is we are more than the military. The population, how many are they going to go? We know people, and if you're fighting for freedom, there must be sacrifice. People have died in Lekki Toll Gate. We are going to sacrifice more to get what we want. If we don't do it, believe me, we are finished.
Fine,
They
we
have-
all
they are-
agree
they are
now.
going to
Let's
slave
do
us
it.
from
That is why
people.
there is a movement going on. Be part of that
And that
movement.
is their intention.
Yeah.
These politicians, how many of them? How many are there? How many of them in number? Compare it to the population of Nigeria. That is my own contribution. And moreover, if you see how they are killing people, you find out that those military are not real military. Because when you recruited Boko Haram, in such kind of operations, you know what they will do? They will take all those Boko Haram that we don't know develop humanitarian to go and wipe them out. They are from the southern part of Nigeria. Because they regard us as an infidel. We are people that have subdued, that we are their second-class citizens and their slaves. Our life never valued for, they never valued it. There is no way these people valued our life. So that is my own contribution, my sister.
Thank you so
I
much,
have
my
to
brother.
drop and let other people contribute.
Yeah, thank you so much, my brother. We are this platform, not before as everybody they call now, they give you a solution. But there's a movement going on. We all need to be part of that movement to achieve this suggestion we just bring. So, and this, all those things. Thank you so much for calling.
Thank you, my sister. Thank you.
Thank you.
So my people, how una dey? Now see the way the issue be. Everywhere rough. Nigeria no balance. For Nigeria to balance, our senators, see all those our governors, they need to dey sleep. No be say sleep for better sleep like that. Say they sleep for their bed. They need to dey under. Now no they can't under why they talk, because they no value life. So they're not supposed to dey live. You understand? They're not supposed to dey live at all, because they're too wicked.
Imagine this Buhari aid come and this so-called Loretta Onoche and this Loretta na Igbo woman
Na
now.
Igbo woman o.
Come and they say we are not upset
Because of
that
politics.
they think we are so stupid that we will allow their lies. We will not. Now they
How much are they going
they
to
say
pay
CNN
you?
they lie now. They say cause CNN lie.
Wetin your eye see wey dey shoot people, you
Una
see
people
am.
come out for interview now they call station lie.
Hello?
Brother Innocent, thanks for calling.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Good evening, I'm being Innocent.
Yeah, bros. Thanks for calling.
Thank you.
Yeah, I greet you. Yeah, everything all now they talk now, now the reality. I don't listen to what everybody talks is. You see, Nigeria government, everybody already know say they be liars. Nobody even they take the serious again for the world. That's why you see right now, blind the whole world even abandoned them. They know. Because the whole world don't know. Say, you know, one thing about these white people, sometimes if they lie, they leave you. But if they don't say that lie too much, you they lie, you don't want change. They'll say, this guy is a chronic liar.
Yeah.
They'll come, they expose everything what you they do. That's what white people be, which of course you know too. You did here. They know they really hard. Now I want to hear about them. You see this lie where this man they say there's no key for toll gate or the key. Later the other one say no, nothing happened like that. The other one say something happened. This what do they call a Lai Mohammed when use the mark now talk say he will sanction he will sanction CNN. That one nobody even they take and serious again because last time I remember last year vividly said this kind word. Now France government say you lie, they just come right the class, say nobody will lie issue. France government come say you too lie. They never even see who lied issue for this word. They come tell this man like that. The other time now so that one they make now they say one sanction this what do they call them? They say one sanction CNN. Now so the first say one strike Israel. Everybody listen to me hear that news last year too. Say one strike Israel. When Israel call a plan and he begin to the blab for mouth say he no talk like that. Now go even listen to one this team where they interview that man not be human being. I think I've seen an interview of recent. Now was seeing a man now interview Lai Mohammed.
Yeah.
He called the ask Lai Mohammed. He say now you the sponsor social media be. Lai Mohammed and all of us know that Lai Mohammed they talking.
Yeah, he denied today.
He
Yes,
say
now
no
the
talk.
new-
Just hold on.
That man denied the story of that. So who wants to take such person serious? That one on one side. You see this Bamba Sonwo this man so. Not bad man. But one thing is still get little small sense. So
Yes.
I hear people are to say no damn mumbo. No what damn mumbo for this kind of rubbish what they want to do. Because it already they get hit for this killing way happen for this toll gate matter. These people, these are our South leaders. You know who they use them? All those northern leaders.
Yes.
If you remember yesterday, I tell you, said 2023, anybody when they wait for say won't become president or Nigeria will exist after that one. Hey, that person a joke. My name now said Mona write that down today. The thing that is well planned, that one are the fact. You see our leaders, they called them recently, the so-called South leader where they parade and say, we no one unite, strong, talk like a man. Talk like a man. Una the kind of now go come they wait for Buhari, for example, say that he the president of our leader. You come they wait for Buhari, say come visit us. Oh, you know, come. Oh yeah, we know say that you right. The God now where you see say that they get for Zamfara. You know what the man talk? He say no, the government get good. Now, community get good.
Okay.
You know what did that to me? That means whatsoever way that they get for that place now, that they store her, they no go bring her out. If they get their country, they begin to use them. Why? Because they get sense. Our leaders foolish for South. That they use the wicked by killing people. Some will looking for toll gates because of their stupidity. Wicked killing for your side. And but what you see, they ask how because they fight for who will become president. President where they no go see it in that kingdom come.
Yes,
you see those people they're foolish.
Very
You
foolish
won't
people.
control them, but they can never give you that time that will break. President where they no go see either they kill their own people. But ask me now how many of them won't become president. I've been I never see say Umahi. With wicked, they don't already the quarter who will become 2023 president. Both of them, they don't already the quarter. That president now when they fight for my system, what we talk to people when they watch it. That president, they no go see her. They just they fool themselves there.
They no go see her.
Because they're stupid. They don't stand for what they want for life. They don't even know what they want. All those our leaders from the south. They'll be one of the biggest problems we will get.
Yes.
If I thought say we say people won't fight for Nigeria, all those ones they know they want Nigeria again because they don't want pay back time. Because they know say anybody will get president now, he go pay them back on what they do of this time.
Yes.
So they don't agree. That time they don't conclude that time. If you read that time, they will break. Now, let's go make us see tell you one thing where they happen. You see Dangote, if not hear what they talk recently. He said in oil, he said that the force make him buy LMA refinery. Now that our side they make him buy those refineries. Say the refinery, they post it to buy them. Why country where be say if they truly believe in one Nigeria, one human being, go they control the whole business for the whole Nigeria. And I don't ask myself. For example, Jamie where me day. If you want to talk of brand Smith, the companies where they do Smith, It's more than, you know how many? It's more than 20 or 50
Yes.
different kind of name of Smith. It's more than 50. That is to tell you, say, one person no will fit decide the
You know why they allow
business
the
of the nation.
this
in
man?
the sense that
Because all
if
our
one
politicians,
person
they pack
decide,
money
that
there.
person don't become
They put
capitalist,
money for
like
that
whether they call
Dangote.
capitalist or English capitalist, which means anything we tell you now go do. If you say I no go buy, if not say I no go buy for that much, I no get the goods, I no get the stuff. Just the way that they use onion or threat you at this period. If you say I no go buy spaghetti, you go say now only you want to say now when I go buy for one I want to buy for that much. Meanwhile I no go see buy because I only want it. How I no ask myself how people of Nigeria they accept that kind of thing? Say one man they control everything.
Now our
For
leaders.
example, if Yoruba does a good one, they get like a fat Smith company. Smith go dey cheap. It go be for only the it go be say 5 Yoruba people cities now they produce them. It go still there like that for south our area. It go there like that for north. Make you see whether this man will become billionaire. It go they make mad like this. But now they give people kicking tail because in a capitalist that these people now they destroy this country. The same thing goes to beer for you. Everything where that man they control. Which man will hold business like that way no will become billionaire?
Yeah,
And
only
this man they tell you
Smith,
as they say destroy
spaghetti,
Nigeria.
tomatoes.
Because the more you get more
Tomatoes.
Smith
Still get
factory,
tomatoes come.
the more you get more workers, they will employ more people. The more you get more people where they company where they produce tomatoes because you get them.
Yes.
The more work full everywhere. The more you see people company where they produce oil, granite oil, the more they employ more workers. The more people get job for the country. But now only one they do one small. If you think that the land, make one Benin person say one go open Smith factory tomorrow. They go lock them. If they do Smith factory, now don't hear before. Now they block them. They block them. May one Benin man or Esama or you or Ijoma or anybody. They wake up say won't go open what they call it won't go open granite oil company tomorrow.
Yeah.
They know what thing they do. They go stop. Then that kind of nation, how did you intend to grow? Because when they talk employment, we know even they go talk the reason what they made it in they have, what they cause this whole problem. How you want to come? But because some people even get money, they want open business, others will come from above. So that kind of company, we don't need that here because they are
person they do.
Yeah.
now they won't be able to control. That is the reason why we say anything where they ask of all those that were useless Mugu where we say they say that they present us, they go they do and they go they rush they do. The fact we say we wait the South will stop that South issue. What we unite, this strong, start good life and wait
Yes, so
fight
even me now,
and do
Brafa.
the right thing.
Let's break up.
For example, for those states where we for come, because me and the and those states who for come, we get stone for there. That stone where they are with there, you know what it is? They need those states for either be there all year day. For instance, if you go all year day, they get what they call dynamite. They get many things for those states, many resources.
See this common here they receive so the sweet
Just
thing.
relax, please.
For me, why something there, those states where they will take time the whole road. You know what is there where they will take time those states road? If they are with you, come on that because of my job, I'll be master for inside. That stone where you see say if they are with you there. Real country where get sense, you go train your own youth, they will begin to tie their whole street by themselves. With that stone where they did, you feel tie the whole street where they at those states, I swear, with that stone where they are with you. That one where they go they break. That my job, nobody say
Just hold on, please.
you will tie the whole full street. Nobody will say that street, that road where you want to tie 20 years, you know, it's still not a break now. 20 years, nothing will do this to.
Yeah.
And if people reach there, they'll see a paradise. Now I they do the work here for them. Now my work, I they handle and well.
They
But
get
they
good
know,
people wey dey do
they just
things,
want
but
to
they
destroy
get other
everything.
country.
You don't see that they make their
As
place
another
say
girl.
okay, they make una place be shit too. They don't ready for now. They will break up when the time come. Now the truth be
Yes.
that the only thing I want go they do now to they strong all the whole youth of South Africa. When are they strong? If you be Yoruba person, you do what you know. Say you go. If you near Enugu, you know say Cameroon near you, people the small as they do am because it will help all of us on the rainy day way they come. Because if 2023 come, they fit just make some kind of war. They'll just do but say, what did they happen? Before you know that help came up with break because they don't already all their
everything.
plan is being done and it's being completed.
Yeah.
So they don't even need you again. That time
Now they go pay the
Make
money.
everybody go. After one pay am. So I thank everybody.
Thank
I
you
hope
very
people
much,
of
Brother
us wake up
Innocent.
very well. It will
Brother
help everyone.
Innocent, thank you for
Thank you.
enlightening
Thank
us.
you.
So thank you for enlightening us on this program. Every day you dey take your time, they call us, you dey go deep, you dey verify, you dey know, you dey
dey
bring
wan let
vital
Nigerians
information.
know wetin
Thank
dey
you so much.
happen.
This is what we need right now. Vital informations. Vital information so that we go dey learn, we go know wetin dey wake us, wetin dey ginger. See
dey
wetin
ginger
just talk
our
na
youth.
everything now wey they don our callers don talk since. Let's swing it to action.
Action.
Movement dey go on. More reach out to people. All those Efela song, this Aisha. Let's reach out to more people so that more participate. Make everybody participate. Come
Hello.
together. Join hand.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Thanks for calling. Please
Good
tell us
evening
your
from here.
name and where you are calling from.
I'm calling from Morocco.
The calls are jamming. Oh.
My program, we are trying.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Hello. Please come again.
We are trying. It's not easy.
Thank you.
I'm calling from Morocco.
All right. Go ahead. Okay, thank you. Go ahead.
Very well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
But my contribution is that I just want to say just a simple word is that do you think Nigeria can work? Do you think Nigeria can work?
Yes,
You think how
Yeah.
can it be possible?
it can be possible. Nothing is impossible in this world. Na only death. Na it not be possible.
It can be possible because how our mentality is, it can never be possible because number one, if in Nigeria remain how Nigeria it is, that foundation, Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo, and Benin, if they say it is how it can work, there is strangers, that is planning, and that is not the way you want to solve problem. The planning might want to solve problem, my Hausa might want to solve problem, my Yoruba might want to solve problem. Yoruba is very easy to live together. But what the main problem we have in that country is Hausa and the planning.
Yeah.
Let us tell ourselves the truth.
It's
Yeah,
true.
Not
you are
the
not
Yoruba,
lying.
not
We don't know
Igbo,
those
not
ones.
Benin. But the problem is at the Hausa.
Yeah.
They hold the power. So it's very, very okay. Look at the protests they are doing. You understand? How many Hausa people come out? How many Fulani people come out? And watch how the way ended. You see it? So the problem, let us not deceive ourselves. Let us tell ourselves the truth. You understand? The truth of ourselves is that let us fight for divide the country. Peace we learn. Peace we totally learn. Look at Spain today. Spain is okay. They are living okay. They're okay. But they are fighting for Catalonia. You understand? So the best thing, black man don't have the wisdom to rule. You and I know the truth. Well, all of us were outside countries, but witness how other countries is. You understand? So, my dear sister, let us not deceive ourselves. Let us talk totally divide for the countries. So,
Yeah.
peace will end.
Yeah.
I can go to Oduduwa land with less of mind. If I will, you understand? So I can go to our if I will say that place, I can see my breakthrough. You understand? But you know that peace will end. Respect will there. We don't have respect all over the world.
Thank you so much.
You don't have respect all over the world. You are witness that and witness that.
Yeah.
You understand?
Thank you.
Thank you.
The network dey break, like the calls dey jam. Thank you so much to this our caller. The calls dey jam, the network break. Wetin you dey talk na true. More would dey share the one. The thing is that let's break Fulani and the Hausa comot for Nigeria.
And another thing.
More break them. But for we to
For
do
now,
that,
for
we
now,
need to come together.
You see, something dey wey we need to understand. For now, Hausa no go let us go. Because wetin they wan achieve from us, e never complete. They wan achieve the thing 2023, of which before that 2023, that way they wan achieve from. We need to come together so that thing wey they need, they no go fit achieve am from us. I don't know that I understand because they no go fit dey together with us. Those people, they no need peace. They no wan dey with us.
Come suck us.
Then
Come suck
no,
from
they
Nigeria.
dey trade. They use us trade. I don't know that people they understand. Hello.
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 Yeah. Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Good evening.
Thanks for calling. Please tell us your name and where you are calling
I
from.
been listening to this program.
my contribution, just like what that guy talk now, he asked just one question. He asked if Nigeria will work. And he
Yes.
said nothing is impossible. Hello? Are you
We are
hearing me?
hearing you.
Yes.
Okay. But Nigeria, if only Nigeria will work, there are some things where we say they need to do what we say Nigeria will take work.
Then
And
be
even
there.
me, I'm calling from Europe, I'm calling from Italy.
Sorry, hello,
They get
hello,
some kind things.
hello.
Huh?
Hold on. What you just talk now? You say if for to make Nigeria work, e get some kind things wey dem need to do. I just wan quick correct one statement.
Okay.
That statement. Who be the dem? Na me and you be the dem. That one call
Everybody.
Ayos now. Wey say that call Ayos now when you talk say wait call before you call now. He talk say he ask question whether Nigeria fit work again. I say yes. Then he come go ahead explain the reason why Nigeria go work. If you really listen to everything when he talk, forget say maybe because of the line they break, I make you not hear. Him by himself still answer the question when he ask me if Nigeria fit work again, because the only way Nigeria to work is for us to break am. Come Hausa and Fulani need to go. Then but for all that one to happen, Oduduwa, Middleburg, Rafa, whatever, the
Must come
South need to
together.
come together to fight those people, make them go. Then if we need to break among ourselves, we will come break am. If we need to continue again as one, that one will come be our own decision.
Our own decision.
That is the way forward. So for that one to happen, if you call us on this program, because here we are here for solution. If you call us, and we are here for awareness and solution. If you call us, not say them, say we, because now me and you
Na
will
be the
contribute
Nigeria.
with the others Nigeria to make this thing work.
Exactly.
Yes, because you yourself, you still believe say yes, Nigeria will still work again. So please go ahead.
Okay. Thank you for the correction.
Thank you.
Thank
Let me say, okay, as we,
Okay.
one thing what we need to do, because if you watch every citizen for Nigeria now, what we be, number one thing, we not get identification. We not get what they go take identify us. We not get anything to take say, apart from the only thing when they go say we get now, when in the reach where they say me they go do voters card, they go say they go they try to make sure say all those things, make they do am. See Europe today, the day they born you, they register you, your leg dey grand, your fingerprint
hand.
dey grand, everything dey.
Yes.
And from that day, nobody, anything, nobody will get your fingerprint. Now you get that. Me and you, when they talk, we don't get fingerprint for Nigeria, you know. So if all those things, if they can only, or we go only make those things available, then we go get here. Nigeria no get terror. Like the only thing what we know now to kill ourselves, to the two bad things.
Just like a
All
dope
these
boys
things,
now.
like
Yeah.
last time I don't call for this program, no be today.
Okay.
I don't call for this contribute for this program. Nigeria, we need figure place to make sure say we will get share of ourselves. When
Yeah.
we say anything what you want to do, you go get time for my yes. Now my address with this. Anytime, no matter where you go, they go find you, they go get you. Now all those things. So many people the shootings for Nigeria where they take key people for Lekki, where we tell those people call the color photo shot. Not be Nigeria with it. We know everything. You and I know what happen. So what did they want to talk like they tell us? So, but what we know, they not gonna show us. They not gonna tell us that what we know be this.
But the truth must
That
come
be the
out.
thing. So
Thank
Nigeria, we need to face out together to make sure
God go
say
bless
we
you.
do everything to get down for the
Believe
real
it's fits
end.
me now, yes.
No be say share Nigeria, no be go give us solution.
No.
Even though they still share Nigeria till tomorrow, make they say make the even share the whole state, may only Edo state get their president, Lagos state get president, everything
Make
na
them
like
go
this it go
federal.
still be.
No,
You
it
know,
go-
guy
it
go
go
take
change.
big down. Now so it go just fit take big.
No, my brother.
Share Nigeria no
It
get
go
what contribute
change.
to this one. Oh.
Yeah. We dey lis ten to you. Just go ahead, brother.
Okay, so now the thing when me they try talk, we say one thing we need to do, now the one voice what we no get.
Yeah.
If
Exactly.
you watch when you say me they show if they not to share Nigeria to settle with Nigeria, where those all those men see they plan to contest with the youth, with the protest, with the destroy, with the old people they use brain for the youth. With the youth, when we first say we they use brain, say make we protest, they protest, they destroy, they scatter.
and we dey scatter wetin we don already organize, wetin we supposed to call the pride of we the youth dey scatter am, and we the youth we say we need to rule, we need leadership. And with the youth, now we dey scatter all the things wey be say yes, they don already dey organized, wey be say we know say na here we go come from start. If they put any youth there now, let's just say 2023, they put any youth there now. When he enter there, you go not say the parable where they always say, wetin old man is that they see. No matter, even though the pikin climb might say no go say, na go happen. Last they go call wetin they go talk again. They go say the youth too no good because we the youth we don't already see destroy some things when we say any youth will enter there. Wetin is supposed.
Hello?
Yeah.
Because they jump. They come.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, thanks for calling. Please tell us your name and where you're calling from.
Yeah, I'm Mr. David Ekwem, calling from Elizabeth.
All right, please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, my sister. We've been following you for quite a while. Even right now, you are online, and I'm also online watching your program.
Thank you.
So, as a good citizen of
Nigeria,
our borrowed name, you know, because we are borrowed, we are answering borrowed names.
Okay.
So, I just want to say a little bit of my mind to contribute on what is actually going on in our dear country.
all right.
Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead. Go ahead.
Sir.
You're alive. Yeah.
Yeah. So, like my fellow brothers who are calling from all over the world, we that are in Europe and we that have been opportuned, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
We are listening to you, sir.
We dey hear you. Hello?
Yeah. So, yeah, like today, like today in the afternoon today, I was like going through the Facebook. I saw where one of our governors from one of our states was on live broadcast. You know, could you imagine the shame he was putting himself through? A whole governor in your office, your internet is not working, your light is not working. You know, you hear the sound of generator at a governor's office. Generator disturbing the whole country of Nigeria at the governor's office. You can hear the sound of generator. It doesn't allow you to speak. Even the laptop they are using, they cannot have a good internet installed in the governor's office. Can you just imagine a country? This same governor is the same governor that is killing his own citizens. That's why he denies it. But you don't tell me that a governor, if a single soul dies in your state, you are responsible because you are the first citizen of that state.
Yeah.
I'm not here to talk about anybody. I'm just giving instances of to contribute to what our brother said.
Yeah.
I am an Igbo man, but almost half of my life has been in Europe. You know, I have traveled. I have seen the civilization in all around the world. Sometimes I ask myself, God, what is happening in my own dear country? Do you know that sometimes when you present your passport, when you are going from Elizabeth to Germany, you have a control on board, present a Nigerian passport. It looks as if you are a terrorist.
Tell them because me
The way they
experience.
manhandle you, the way they treat you, the way they fumble you, as if you are holding, you are the
Nigerian passport be like say you carry AK-47.
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
Why? Because our country has no respect, don't have international value.
Yeah.
Why can't these people, even if they don't want to give the people that their sons that are seeking for independence, fine, okay, let's say we are one. Nigeria, like we know about it, it has never been a name. It was a name that the white people came to give us. We start bearing that name. What good after 60 years has that name given to us? The leaders we have, they educated. They went to school. We have many intellectual people in Nigeria. Brilliant, excellent. People who are in the US contesting for elections, Nigerians.
Yeah.
I'm asking myself, why can't these wisdoms come back home with their international knowledge
Our
and make
leaders
a
not
country a
green.
better place?
Those people want corner, they're not green.
You people are saying we are calling saying this. Me and you know that the only thing we can do is contribute our shares. Maybe how our sister now have made it a platform for citizens to share their mind. But that is the only thing we can do.
Yes.
There are people who are knowledge, who are well connected,
Yes.
who are in diaspora over the world. They are the ones we are calling upon with their limited wisdoms. Let them help us because Nigeria is dead. There's nothing like Nigeria anymore. Now, the stupid Lai Mohammed is accusing CNN of telling the truth. Can you just imagine that nobody is allowed to say the truth again in Nigeria?
No.
Only their own and the truth. Every other person own a lie.
Tell me, does it mean that these people doesn't have children in their house? Does it mean that they were not born? Does it mean that they have no conscience?
When it comes to
The
money,
souls
they
that
feel,
they
your
killed
person they
in
feel
those
they are
Catholic
picking.
people,
They do the
it's the
chores.
cry yearning for vengeance.
All this one. No, my
How
brother,
their children?
you know, I see some of them, they are picking go be bedside. They don't use that do
They have
exchange
children.
finish.
How is their children living their life? Even if they're not in the country, how are they living in the shame of what their parents are doing?
Okay.
These leaders are people who we have entrusted our 100 years to come future of our children onto their hands. But they decide to sell it to the Chinese, the whatever, under a twinkle of an eye. My dear, there is nothing like restructuring. If we are talking about restructuring, we're talking about freedom of the Biafrans or Duduwa or whatever. We are still making noise. We are still making noise. Look at in America. Tell me how do they govern America? They have one central president who governs the whole state. Nigeria has 36 states in Nigeria. We can have every state. We have this whole.
That is federal.
That is federal.
That is federal.
They will exist in whatever they deem fit and answerable to the central federal government.
Federal Republic
only
of
paying tax
Nigeria.
to federal government.
Yeah, we have federal republic, but it's not working. Democracy not work. Now federal one
And
can work.
Nigeria should be governed. Like
Thank
the way
you
we
so
see
much.
it in the Western world. We see Canada. We see America. There are UK. There are places that UK is still, Queen Elizabeth is still the queen. The Prime Minister Boris Johnson is still the Prime Minister. But they have their freedom. They have their laws. They have their own president. I don't know if you guys are following me.
Yeah.
Sir, we are listening to you, sir.
Nigerians are listening. Well, thank you so
So,
much.
my dear,
Thank you so much for calling.
Hello.
Hello, thank you so
yeah,
much
I'm
for
sorry
calling.
for taking much of your time. You know,
Yeah.
most of us, when we call, we vent our anger.
Yeah,
what
we
say.
understand.
It seems as if maybe we are talking loud or
Yeah.
something. No, it's not that way, you know.
No.
The
We
issue is
understand.
every one of us is fed up.
Yeah.
Every single the citizens of us, we are damn fed up.
Yeah.
These people are looting us day in, day out. They don't bloody care.
That is
I
why.
am
That is why we
calling-
need to
I am
come
calling
together
each
and
and
join
every one of
movements.
Nigeria. Let's not forget, first of all, let's forget about this ethnicism and tribalism.
Yes.
The Yoruba, the Igbos, the Benins, this whatever they call them. You know, I can't begin to count. If they can only come together in one and speak, say, these Fulani people, we are done. We are okay with you people. Believe me, within 24 hours, what we are seeking for, we'll have it.
Exactly.
But you know the problem? Our so-called prominent men have
Maybe
sold their
governors.
conscience.
now they
Have
will take
sold
first
their
start.
dignity to the Fulani. Who is Fulani to buy the conscience of people who are blessed? That's what I
Can you
ask myself.
imagine? People are
Who is
blessed
Buhari
to just
to
the way
come
he
buy the
calls us.
conscience of an Igbo man who is well learned, economical wise? Tell me what Buhari have achieved in his own life. If not by power or presidency or whatever, can Buhari achieve anything in his life?
You see?
Nothing.
Thank you so much,
Thank
my
you
brother.
very
I will
much,
let
sir.
you go now.
So that we can receive other
Oh,
calls.
before we come up for studio. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
We
thank
appreciate
you.
you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you for all of the way they call us since. We know say the anger, all of us want talk, but we'll continue the talk because the talk they very important so that
Yes.
many of our people, Nigerians, wey be say they don't have no idea of wetin dey go on, they go see they understand. But we need to stand our
As
ground.
one.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's join the movement.
Hello?
Join the movement.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. Good evening. Thanks for calling. Tell us your name and where you're calling from.
Yeah, my name is Paris. I dey call from Italy.
Thanks for calling. Please go ahead with your opinion.
Contribution, anyone?
Yes, say this on a program, this Ibota program, I dey see am before, but I heard the school the person. Understand me?
Yeah.
So when I come the listen just now, so waiting at the talk, you they enter my ear. Understand?
Thank
So
you. That is your awareness.
now the group when me personally go like join, then me I feel the support.
Thank
Waiting I feel they do. Understand me?
Thank you
Because
so much.
because you see, waiting on the deliberate since waiting there, the waiting with the deliberate since no be now. Waiting with the deliberate since understand me. So me, I think get my own opinion when I go contribute. Understand me.
Yeah.
So you see all these old fools when all these bad boys when on the show. So all these old boys, old association when. As in, they don't want me Nigeria make it day okay. But I believe say one day everything go day okay.
Amen.
And moreover, hello,
We dey hear you.
hello.
We dey hear you, my brother. Just go on. Hello.
Oh, sorry, if you up your line cut. Blessing our network. I think it's from you, not from our side. Because we dey hear you, you know they hear us.
Get wetin before these two last call, like get wetin one of our brother talk. We talk about say if they born pikin for Europe, you go see doctor print their leg and their hand fingerprint. Now here now you still see say upon no say Nigeria no get fingerprint. They go still come dey do for some country they do police reports. I no know how many criminals una cash wey una know say this Europe una dey turn print for to come do police report for before they fit get paper for Europe. One day God go sanction all of una. That guy wetin you talk, it makes sense. Let me refer back to that but another topic me that one.
Make I make my brother understand say yes, Nigerian leaders they don't want they do that kind of thing because
Yes.
they know say many of their secrets go leak.
E go leak
through that
that
process.
that
They don't want introduce all those kind of
thing.
computerized name come Nigeria because they know say all the wetin wey they loot money through there they will still dey see am. That is why the Western world dey okay. So if I wish that kind fingerprint thing that day now we for know say Buhari for don die. No be this one we for don cash am. This one wey we dey debate now we no dey debate.
Nobody know whether I don die whether I dey alive because no fingerprint for Nigeria.
We'll take this last call before we comot for studio.
Hello.
Hello.
Low down the volume of your device.
Hello. Good evening, brother. Can you hear me?
I'm hearing you.
Please turn down the volume of your where you dey watch me from. Turn the volume down. Oh, you don't cut am.
So my people, as we dey talk am, we no get fingerprint. Nigeria no get fingerprint. And another thing wey still dey happen for this, this abroad. If you go some place, they go dey look Nigerian youth as criminal. When e be say our own politician na they be the criminal and then they come dey put money for una bank.
Nigeria passport and be like AK-47 if you carry.
If you anywhere wey you enter, they go dey look you.
Brother Imam will take it come before we leave. Hello, Brother Imam.
Hello, my people. I called back again because of something.
Oh, cause
Don dey jam. Yeah. Hello.
Wetin be the solution to all these things wey we dey talk? Prince and some other set of people, they talk say, may they know they say one Nigeria again, may they know they say one Nigeria. Somebody Evans or something, they say, maybe Organo, they say one Nigeria. You alone go fight this fight. You did talking. You alone go fight this fight. We have been crying out loud. Make everybody come together.
Yes.
The last person we call, everything where everybody they talk, the best key and the best way is for everybody to come together. Take away Biafra for now. Come out Biafra, come out for now. Come out to do even Prince, I'm talking to you. Come out Biafra for now. Come out every other thing. Make we come together first. Make you volunteer yourself. That's everything where you get. Volunteer yourself. Let's come together. These people don't do us shaking. If they to smell, they stop them. How can that? I did hear when somebody they thought say Dangote they supply cement and Indomie to Nigeria. Dangote is supplied to every other African country.
Yeah, not only
Dangote
Nigeria.
Indomie they here. Dangote cement they can hear. Dangote cement dey Togo.
But
Na-
e dey cheaper
na
that side
Ghana
than
dey use
Nigeria.
their Indomie and everything. The best Indomie here na Dangote. Tomatoes and everything na Dangote. Na they dey cook, na they do everything. So this man, enough is enough. And two, if you see this problem, where would they get, especially
Only
the
it's
east
when
and
they
the
bomb
west
me.
and the
Dangote has
Niger
been the
Delta,
richest man in
make I
Africa.
tell you the
Nobody don
precious
pass am.
truth. Our government na be our problem. Those our acts of respect, the everything and all those people na be our winch. You know, see the thing. We and devil they eat, they use long spoon. But we use long spoon, they follow federal. But we don't know say inside our house, those government will take for us, now them be the demon. Those people are the demons. Because if all these governor us and local government chairman, they cry to federal, say villages where there, no security there, no road there, no good water there, no good hospital there. All these things for don't come out. Therefore don't review. But they go talk, they go give them money, they go embezzle all these things. If they talk about federal, what of all those roads where we say federal go award, they go give state government money, they go talk and pity in the next before a 10 go finish.
Na true.
Another
They
person
don't
go
leave
come. That one
Yeah,
go still
true.
continue.
That
How
one
many years
continue.
they
No
go
be the
do
same
road
federal,
for
they are
Nigeria?
work
How
contract,
many
give company wey no
years?
get name, wey no
Any
register for
government will come
Nigeria.
go now, you go do road. Every government will come, you go do road.
Exactly.
The one thing Nigeria no go fit face this road, finish and once and for all. Face hospital, finish and once and for all.
Yeah.
Face school, finish and yes, finish everything. Put everything, make they target on one thing. Now to they borrow money. They go borrow their money. Even if say they die, even if say they Buhari and they, all this Lai Mohammed, they
That's
die.
their Abuja
You see their
budget.
children, they go come.
So people still want to call.
Pay that money, enough is enough. Are you getting me? Obasanjo is there, all these people that are there. Our governors and even Obasanjo is there, he hand do clean. Forget. All those one, they hand do
Yes, now all of them dey inside.
No, this is not the time to say this one is good, this one is good. None of them is good. None of them good at all.
Now, when they got tired of their hand don't stain for blood and evil. Those people are not, they are very foolish. These people are a problem. And when the rock of vengeance is about to fall, it will start from even local government, councillor, all those people, they go chop the rice. They go chop from that hot rice. No go give them.
My man, the network dey F up. So, but the time don still reach wey we go take comot for inside studio today.
And every day we keep on to tell everybody say we keep on to tell everybody say the only way forward na to come together. This will not be the time to
This
share.
our caller. Mo just speak am. I
Hello.
used me last call yesterday.
Hello.
Hello, my sisters.
Good evening.
My sisters, Unado.
Thank you.
Good evening.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Eyes on the side.
We
Yeah,
thank
okay,
God.
sir.
I dey greet the water fans, so now well done. Everybody question they sweet me.
We
And today was sweet, yeah. Today was sweet. I balance where they watch them. Guys, so
you.
the new guys were joining us. I beg, make una stay tight. I beg, make una no come out, because it's the important thing for this group. I beg, make una stay away with us. I beg.
I beg.
Una welcome.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah. My sister, I get what I want to contribute for this issue.
Okay.
Like, this my brother. What if be that guy? The other guy wake up. Like that one, do brother. That where they make sense. When he talk
Innocent.
this, what if that his name?
Brother
I won't greet
Innocent.
him.
Innocent.
Yes, my innocent. I dey greet that man. That man, I need to see that man personal. If they come back to Nigeria, make it say they come back that year. Me, I need to come back. I need to see. That man get wisdom.
No be
Exactly.
small.
Not be small.
And again, I want to tell some of our brother. I want to tell him something.
Okay.
This country where they in a Muslim country. Pakistan and India and Bangladesh, they are brothers. And the same papa born there, but different mama. They live in the same country. But their religion not be the same. Now they hear me, ba?
Yeah.
I want put something for the yeah. Pakistan are Muslim. India are Hindus.
Yeah.
And don't forget what even Bangladesh be. So Pakistan, India, they live social life. They wear trouser, they wear skirt, they wear short trouser. Why Pakistan? If we no cover body rich toll, it be sinner. But they be one country.
So this is going to bring problem. Anywhere, anytime we be say Indian people leave their side, come Pakistan side. Pakistan people go kill them. Say they corrupt their people. They say they be one country, but anytime they cross boundary, come their own side. Pakistan people go kill India. They not make any Indian person be president. They send that person. They are sinners. They dispose their body. They get clubs. Then they get hotels where women they dance, where they do a social life. Pakistan not get them. Pakistan see new woman or you wear clothes which show your back or your body, they go stone you to death. So Indian people when they say, when I say we be one country, we be brothers, but we know they live the same life. Our culture not be the same. Our behavior not be the same. Our food not be the same. What would they do? Our belief not be the same. What is going to make us one country? And nothing we will be saying there go do. It go satisfy us because we not believe in us. We not believe in this period. And they righteous. So why they talk this thing? They say for those where they talk one Nigeria. Understand?
Yeah.
And so they fight Indian separate because they mean and come out because they don't say nothing gonna make you and these people become one for this world die. Nothing gonna this world end. Nothing gonna make them become one country because they not be the same behavior, not be the same culture that they do. So I think I can't call Nigeria. I want to tell people they talk about one Nigeria. My forefathers no know what is one Nigeria. When my forefather was born, nothing like Nigeria. They only have south, west, and north. So everybody say your own, you do your own thing. And that way we say they part by part. Nobody they complain, no killings. Everybody religion not the same. Everybody food not the same. You know your brother know you. If your brother do it no good, you know you go take judge him. Do him for your own way. So it go for the matter now. They say, see, weekend, the people waiting for Obibo now. They don't go be held now. Because they don't scatter the house. Say don't run. We cannot do for this river again. You don't run. If you just tell me that now, you don't run. You don't do it again. They don't attack them. They don't attack Wiki. Wiki don't run. So what I want to talk, we say, this issue of one Nigeria, everybody talks to Nigeria go work. Or make you take over, my dear. These leaders get youth. They get you, they don't grow. This not, they go see they do what they do for this life. If Ramen get people use take over, they not people go see enter seat. Fulanis go see enter seat. They go see continue their life where they live. That is not imbued. They say evil men do live with their children. Evil men do live with their children. It need they come out for body. If we talk one Nigeria, I think they pay me for body. My brother, if it be Igbo, it be Biafra, go join Biafran group, leave Nigeria alone. Fight for separation. We go deceive ourselves. They say we go fight for Nigeria. I don't get father's land. My father's land na Biafra. My father's land na Biafra. Apart from Biafra, I know they join. I know they for this way that they talk. Live with this way they do. Join Biafran group. Join them. Don't forget about say we say we live Biafra. We fight. We go together. Come fight one night. Which one here they fight for? If they fight people, we say some part not support what they do. If we say they not support what they do, hey, we say maybe you fight together. Not only two parts. Some people they talk say they not even know what they talk. Say they believe with the government where they rule them. Until they don't say if you want Nigeria. If you be a Yoruba guy, go join Oduduwa Republic. They fight for the country, maybe they separate them. If you Igbo boy, they do join Biafra, who get Biafra, they can just separate. I bet we can deceive ourselves. They say we can fight for Nigeria. I bet we can deceive ourselves. We know the truth.
Okay, my
we
brother, thank you.
Thank you very much.
So much, my brother. Time Doris, we want to leave studio. Mona join us tomorrow. We'll continue the talk tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for all of now. Don't call us since. And thank those of you now. We say they try to call because I see many calls, missed calls here. Don't be me no pick una call because they jam. When somebody they line you, they call. I know if you pick am.
Yeah.
So now be the thing. So 9 o'clock tomorrow, join Ibota TV. This platform now for movement to create awareness and for us to bring our own opinion and everybody to get solution to it. What we need now is a solution to Nigeria.
we need to come together and one
Yeah,
love.
like as this our last caller talk now, if you be Oduduwa, go join Oduduwa fight. If you be Benin or you be Brafa, the most important
Let's come
thing, let's
together.
cut off from those
Northern people.
Fulani and the people, their people, more will cut more for them, so that was that our everybody
Our
will be
own,
on
they
their
are
own.
our own.
Me, I support am.
I support
but the
am
most
too.
important thing, whether you be Brafa or you be Nenemi,
Oduduwa.
the most important thing is that we are living what's it called, Hausa and Fulani, let them go. Anything wey go make those people comot, we go remain only we am okay with it.
Na wetin we need to fight for.
Na wetin we need to fight for. And if he said say na to carry 47, my brother, I'm ready.
You see am.
We are ready. We
e
not
get where e go reach, all our mothers dey go enter
because
street
this thing
dey
is
go
too
carry am.
much. What do we do? So the question now is,
We take am as joke now.
Yeah.
But e get where e go reach, e no go be joking matter again. The thing serious. We think say we come dey play here, we no dey come play here. We dey let people know say see wetin dey happen.
yeah. So the question now is, what do we do to save ourselves and our country from the hands of those evil leaders?
The ancestors.
Think about it tomorrow and let's discuss this. So tomorrow will continue 9:30. Join Ibota TV and please subscribe to our YouTube channel Ibota TV on YouTube and share this video. At least every talk everybody don talk is now you learn one or two. If not, there are some kind of things wey say you don't know, you will still know. This place na to create awareness.
Yes.
To get information, come together.
All Nigerians to
and
come
move.
together and move together.
That is it.
If we say all Nigerians, we no dey talk
If
about
na
we
the
no dey
one
talk
wey-
about
no.
the Fulani and
Fulani
the
and the
Hausa.
Hausa, no.
No be who dey talk about.
If na the one, me I see dey talk am na suggestion. If na the one wey